Use the link provided in the description down below that will take you to download page which will automatically detect your system. But it will not detect the exact package you require. Since we're in Linux Mint, which is based on Ubuntu which is based on Debian, it means that we need deb package. If you are not sure which architecture your Linux uses, you can check that by running this command in the terminal. If the result contains 64-bit then it means your Linux is a 64-bit version. If it doesn't then you're not a Pi. Figure it out. In my case, Linux is a 64-bit version, so I'll click on x86 64-bit deb package, and wait for the download to complete. Run it by double-clicking it and keep your flow with the video. You can do it. You're not a Pi. Or something. Don't mind orange notification from the top of the installation form. It will just notify you that TeamViewer will install 2 additional packages for it to function correctly. Click Continue and enter your super-duper hardcore heavy-to-crack password, and wait for the installation to finish. While you wait, please consider liking the video, subscribing and commenting, also sharing because sharing is caring. Notification at the top of the installation form will appear green, letting you know that the installation is finished and TeamViewer is ready for you to use. Go to the main menu, Internet, TeamViewer. Read that seducing license agreement. And voila! The same process of installation is for Ubuntu, Debian, Pop! OS, and all other distributions based on Ubuntu/Debian. This video shows you how to install TeamViewer, not how to use it. So that is enough for this video. You can figure out how to continue from now on. After all, you are not a Pi. Or something.